Hi everybody, this is Ximara Vega, Optical Management Consultant with IDOC, and I'm coming to you with this week's question of the week, which is, what would you recommend for back to school? Well, hopefully everyone developed their back to school plan a couple of months ago and have begun execution within the last couple of weeks. If not, I'd be more than happy to help you through it. One recommendation is not to focus on the sales. That may seem kind of unconventional, but in my experience, if you can win on price, you can lose on price. So all your marketing efforts should be highlighting what makes your practice unique and a great option for your patient base. So that way it's the quality of care that you provide that draws people in, not so much the discounts you're able to provide. Also, any back to school promotions you're offering should be targeted toward multiple pairs, not the primary pair, so you can encourage everyone to buy more than one pair of glasses. It's incentivizing your patients to purchase more because everyone needs more than one pair of glasses. There's a lot of different vision solutions that you could be needing, and just ask those open-ended questions to uncover those patient needs. Also, read your audience. Every person that comes into your practice is a sales opportunity. So if a child comes in with their parents, or someone comes in with their boyfriend or girlfriend or one of their friends, each person, even if they don't have a scheduled appointment, is a potential customer you could be selling something to. So I would recommend that every, let me emphasize, every single patient-facing individual in your practice has an idea of what the most updated styles are. They're familiar with the brands that you carry, the quality of the eyewear that you're offering, and they're able to choose from your frame boards on a whim and just say, hey, try these on. I think they'll look great on you, and appeal to the motivator of that particular individual. Some people are interested in the fashion aspect, some functionality, and others are interested in the quality of the eyewear that you're offering them. So make sure that whatever language is being used is tailored to that particular person's motivators. Like, for instance, I recently purchased these glasses. I love them, but what appealed to me is the style. I have about 100 pairs of glasses between sun and ophthalmic, and I really like glasses, but what drew me to these was that they're not symmetrical when it comes to the patterns on the top. I love the marble and the plastic. I think it's beautiful. I love the cat eye. I love the thickness of the frame. I like how intense they are. So clearly my motivator for this particular style was fashion. Is it a great quality frame? Absolutely. But that is not what initially drew me to them. So if someone were choosing these glasses for me, if they just mentioned how different they are, how fashion forward, trendy, the fact that they pop and they'll pull my eye color forward because they're so dark and they bring lots of attention to the eye. This is language that could have been used to pitch this particular pair of glasses to me. So just keep that in mind as well. So good luck with back to school. Happy shopping to everyone purchasing for back to school. And if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to reach out to me via email. You can reach me at xvega@idoc.net. That's xvega@idoc.net. I look forward to hearing from you. and I hope you have a great day. Until next time, bye now.